Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the clip you want. MP3 or WAV works because Android reads those formats. Once chosen, trim it to about 20-30 seconds so it rings cleanly and save to your phone. Next, open My Files and place the file into the ringtones or notifications folder. This makes the system recognize it. If you can't find those folders, create a notifications folder at the top-level storage. This step ensures settings will display your sound. Now go into Settings and tap Sounds and Vibration, then Notification Sounds, because this is where Android shows available tones. Scroll to find your file. If you saved it in Notifications, it appears in that list. If not, check Ringtones. Tap the clip to preview it. This confirms format and length are correct. Once you like it, choose Apply or OK to make it the default notification sound globally, and check an incoming message to test the alert. Finally, for app-specific tones, open the app's own settings, Messages, Email, or Alarm, and select Notification Sound. Many apps list system tones separately. If your custom file doesn't appear, make sure it's in /notifications, restart the phone, and clear the settings app cache so the media scanner reindexes files. If still blocked, check My Files permissions and move the file from SD card to internal storage. Doing this resolves most read permission problems and gets your sound working.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.